a beautiful day on the island of Sodor, and Boko was cruising along the line. He had to take a night mail train that night, and so wanted to get some rest before then. He backed into the sheds and started to fall asleep. But that night, Edward had a story to tell. He backed into the sheds. "Hello, Boko," he said. "What are you doing here?" "Oh, I have just a night mail train tonight. I'm just trying to get some rest before then." "Oh, well, you better be careful." "Why is that?" "Well, today's the date of Timothy's accident." "Who's Timothy?" "Well, let me just retell the story. A long, long time ago, a little engine named Timothy, who looked almost like Thomas, except he was silver and had the number 0. Just pretend that's 0, okay? I don't have time to write on this. I don't want to write on my birthday cake thing. So just deal with it. Deal with it. Okay? Deal with it. Timothy was one night pulling a passenger train. I don't have coaches. Deal with it. But that night, some demons came along. Ooh, spooky! And they possessed his body. And then Timothy did something that no one would ever forget. He plunged off the viaduct, killing every single one of his passengers. And that's the story of Timothy. He was a nice chap until that day. "Oh, that's not real. I'll be fine. Good night, Edward." Ta-ta. And Boko backed into the back of the sheds. "I would be careful if I were you," said Edward. "This story is actually true." Boko just couldn't think that it was true. I mean, why was there ever a ghost train? Why? It's like, how is this even possible, Boko thought. "Oh well, better get some sleep." And Boko shut his eyes. When Boko woke up that day, it was dark out. "Oh no, I must have overslept." "Yeah, we were supposed to go at 8, said his driver, "but you wouldn't wake up." "Oh, sorry." But then, right as he was turning the key to set off, he heard a strange whistle. "Who was that?" "I don't know. It's probably just an engine from the other railway pulling a goods train." "Okay," said Boko, and set off to go pull the mail. But when Boko came to the yard to collect his vans, they were gone. The fat controller drove up to Boko in his new car. "Boko, because you were late with the mail, we had Percy take it. But right after that, it will be scrapped because that is his last job. But now we are going to have you pull this little flatbed here. You will pick up a car at Marin Station and then deliver it to the dealership tonight. Okay?" "Yes, sir." "Oh, and did you hear that whistle? That long, deep, and spooky whistle?" "Indeed I did, sir." "Yes. That's not one of my engines. I didn't know that there was an engine coming from the mainland today." "Oh, phew, so it was an engine from the mainland." "We didn't know that yet. I have to call the controller." "Oh. All right. I'll see you later, sir." "Thank you, Boko." And with that, the fat controller drove away. Boko carefully pulled his flatbed to Marin Station. When he made it to Marin Station, he heard that spooky whistle again. Honestly, who is that? They should have left by now. Who's there?
continued.